Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hello, good morning. Today, inshallah, we are going to discuss about cell. So this is the first episode of this presentation for SS1 student. So what is cell? Cell is a basic unit of life and fundamental unit of life. So all living organisms are made up of cells. So it is the combination of identical cells that are similar in size, that have same function, that will produce tissue. And this tissue will further evolve and form organ. So that's how it is. So cell history. In 1665, an English scientist called Robert Hooke, he first discovered and described cell. His finding was further followed by a French scientist, Felix, that discovered protoplasm. So in the year 1838, Schleiden, he discovered plant cells. A year later, in 1839, Schwann, he described and discovered animal cells. So with the discovery of these two guys, the cell theory was formulated in 1839. So the theory is as follows. The first one, that cells are structural unit of life. Second one, they are the fundamental unit of life. Third one, they are originated from pre-existing cells. The last one, cells contain hereditary materials. We have forms in which cells exist. We have three forms. The first one is single and free living. Here, the cells might be unicellular and they live freely, independently. Example, amoeba, paramecium, and chlamydomonas. The second form is colony. Colony is a group of cells living in close association. Example, we have volvox and sponges. The third and the final one is filament. Filament are cells that are joined together, that join their end together to form filament. Example, we have Spirogyra. Okay, let us look at the structures now. This is the example of structure of the first form in which the cells exist, which is single and free living. This example of structure called amoeba. This is how amoeba look like. And this is sponge colony. This is how it looks like. And this is the example of filament, which is Spirogyra. This is how it looks like. In conclusion, we were able to discuss about cell history and cell theory. We define what cell mean, and we also discuss on different forms in which cells exist. So thank you all for listening. Let us meet in our next episode.